మాన్యువల్ తయారు చేసామండి. ఈ మడ అడవుల సంరక్షణ తీర ప్రాంతాల వారి కోసం తెలుగులో అనువాదం చేసి రాయడం జరిగింది. ఇది జీవ వైవిధ్య యాజమాన్య కమిటీలకు ఇచ్చేటువంటి కరదీపిక. ఇది మన
శ్రీ టి దామోదర్ నాయుడు గారు, CEO, APLDA. Inspired by the words of the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Sri Y.S. Jagannath Reddy garu, that conservation of biodiversity is essential for human survival. The Andhra Pradesh State Biodiversity Board is undertaking a member of initiatives to conserve biodiversity. Biodiversity is the diversity in living organisms. The people of our country have not only recognized and adored nature as divine, but have also preserved traditional knowledge for generations. Protecting nature and traditional knowledge is protecting the biodiversity and human survival itself. As we are aware, biodiversity benefits are as in many ways. It is crucially for food, clothing, shade, housing, and medicines, etc. Housing. Medicines are supplied to us only for plants in forests and by marine life. 97% of the food or eat comes from plants and about 3% from animals. Therefore, plants and animals are vital for our survival. The government have taken a number of institutional measures to protect the biodiversity. The first and foremost in the Biodiversity Conservation Act 2002. This act is enforced jointly by the central and state governments. The Biological Diversity Act 2002 has their important aspects. One is conservation of biological diversity. Second is sustainable utilization of the biological resources. Third is fair and equitable sharing of biological resources among all shareholders. The machinery for implementation of the Biological Diversity Act 2002 and the rules made there under in the three tiers. The national, state, and local levels organizations are established. In our state, there are 14,157 BMCS, out of which 13 are in Jilla Parishad level, 661 in Mandal level, 120 at municipality or municipal corporations level, and 13,363 at Gram Panchayat level. It is a number of pride for the people of Andhra Pradesh state that APSPB has constituted 100% BMCs during the year 2020 and 2021. With the cooperation of Panchayat Raj and Municipal Administration Department, and also prepared the People's Biodiversity Registers in electronic format by engaging reputed agencies and organizations. APSBB has created a web application through partnership with e-Pragati to capture the field data from all local bodies in May and June 2021. The Andhra Pradesh State Electricity Board has prepared the core activities action plan for operationalization of BMCs and for conservation of biodiversity in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh State Biodiversity Board has released an amount of rupees 9 crores 53,19,500 for 10,013 GP level BMCs and all 13 districts of Andhra Pradesh for implementation of above programs. Details are given below. The purpose of today's meeting in Andhra Pradesh State Biodiversity Board have released the funds of all Gram Panchayats level BMCs for biodiversity conservation works. Action plans will be prepared during this workshop to utilize the funds. The Andhra Pradesh State Biodiversity Board have approved the action plan for development of biodiversity parks and museums in all 13 districts of Andhra Pradesh lands and identified in Kakinada, Kadapa, Tirupati, Nellore, Visakhapatnam, Amaravati and Kurnool. And land identification is in progress in other districts with an estimate of rupees 1.5 crore to rupees 2 crores for each biodiversity park, for which Andhra Pradesh State Greening and Beautification Corporation, Vijayawada. Digital biodiversity museums are being established at major cities of Andhra Pradesh. The APSB has prepared a series of short films on wetlands, grasslands, biodiversity, home herbal gardens, estuaries to showcase the biodiversity of Andhra Pradesh, and also success stories of biodiversity conservation of Andhra Pradesh are prepared and released on the important days for creating awareness among public. I wish all the best for the workshop by experts and thematic planning for aquatic biodiversity and conservation of rarity species in Andhra Pradesh, involving biodiversity management committees. Mr. Nalini Mohan Garu and Chairman has asked for posts. There are only 3 members in the board. They are asking there was some posts for this biodiversity. I will talk with you.